Hey guys, UGFX here. If you clicked on this video, I assume you're probably a bit lost about trading, and as someone that has been trading for 5 years, I can give you the biggest keys that you need to follow, otherwise you will never reach profitability from me. Basically what I'm going to do is just give you the keys that will 10x your probability of being a profitable trader in the next year, let's say. Okay, I will not tell you by the end of this video you will get profitable. No, I will just give you specific keys that will just help you change your whole paradigm and your whole direction on your journey, so you can go directly on the good direction and not go through the years of struggle of discovering that you've been on the bad direction. So let's directly go through this. If you don't know who I am, I've documented my whole journey on Telegram. I've been trading for 5 years again. I scaled from nothing to managing 7 figures of private investor capital, and I'm trading an objective mechanical strategy, blah, blah, blah. You probably don't care. The first key is don't spend too much time watching YouTube videos. I remember when I was 14 years old, I just started trading, I was looking at all the videos on YouTube. This is quite interesting in your first 6 months to 1 year of trading, because you get some really good basics, you get a fundamental understanding of trading, but then it's like complete nonsense. You're just going nowhere, okay? It's like a complete waste of time. What really made me profitable is just diving into the first principle of trading. What I mean by that is you take trading as a whole, and trading is something that is multidisciplinary, okay? So if you look at trading, it's not just trading, okay? It's, I don't know, like psychology, system thinking, economics, and all of those things. And you go into each disciplines, you go into the biggest authors of those disciplines, the guys that created the first principle, the guy from the 18th, 19th century, etc. You go into the principles of these guys here, so the first principles, and you just look at this type of knowledge. Once you have the basic, you look at this type of knowledge and you mix it with good knowledge from good YouTubers, really good traders, not influencers that share trading broker affiliate link, okay? You want like to just look at 2 to 3 YouTubers that are really interested in really good subject that you like looking to, that gives really value, that not just play with your head and give you some blah blah and some wow, that really give you value. You choose those 2 to 3 YouTubers that seems legit, that give you real value, and at the same time you study first principle of each thing, so of psychology, of system thinking, of economics, and then your knowledge will literally 10x. Doing this will get you to a world better place than just looking at all of those random YouTubers on a day-to-day basis and watching these videos. Oh, this is the best strategy, this is the best thing for no. This will just get you nowhere. You will just lose so much time. Because there is so much information, there is so much strategy YouTubers that you just need to focus on 2 to 3 guys and on a specific method. My second point is go over trading, and what I mean by that is don't just do like what 90% of losing traders are doing, like just trying to constantly get the next FTMO challenge, next 100k, 6 figures fund and whatever. No. And constantly failing it. So most traders come into trading during 2-3 years, they just constantly fail challenge, and you ask them, what have you achieved, what connection you made during those 3 years of trading? They made nothing. They were just in front of charts on a day-to-day basis and just losing money, switching strategy, buying the course from this big influencer, switching strategy, not working. No, you need to do other things to go over your trading. You need to DM people, to network with traders, to network with potential investors. You need to take your balls literally and go DM big traders, big potential investors, like create a track record. Like don't just go 100% on FTMO, FXify. This is a real job. It's not just, oh, I come, I buy my challenge, I fail it, I try to buy again, oh, I will make it out with prop firm. It's not working like that. My personal review on prop firm, my personal feedback is that prop firm is for people who have a bit of money and for traders that are really good. I know this sounds painful, but yeah, FTMO, all of these things, prop firms is for traders that have a real proven data backed up strategy, that are in trading for at least 1 year. You know, it's not like you come to trading and your first goal should be prop firm. No, your first goal should be to take a personal account and make it grow, create a track record on 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, go to investors, present them. Man, there is so much people that have a lot of money, millions and millions, and they give it easily to you if you can come with a good track record, if you're a professional, if you're spoke well. You just come and they give you money. They give you 10k and they say, okay, trade for 6 months, for 2 quarters, you show me the results, and then I will scale your capital 50k, 100k, 200k, boom, it's exponential. Then you go to 1 million, then you go not easily, but you can go to 8 figures, etc., etc. And you just make 1, 2, 3, 4% per month. Okay, 4% is like complete like record trading. Like it's very good returns. Okay, so yeah, just go over trading. Try to DM people. Try to network with people. Don't just like settle for less. Don't just settle for FTMO and just trading your thing and just staying in your lane. No, don't stay in your lane. Think of other ways. Be creative. And why did I put these specific things here is because you need to kill your current vision of trading, your current vision of going through prop firms, and I will not tell it again. You need to kill this and build a new vision, build a vision, a multi-vision. Like you need to go through investors' capital, create your own capital, trade with prop firm 2, talk with other traders. Like really take your balls and you will see that it will work. Like you can literally talk to traders that got funds and they will be interested in talking with you if you have something interesting. So my to-do list for you right now is just think of something interesting, of an experience, of a specific skill set you have, that you can give to someone, okay, that you can give to someone that will give you back something interesting for you in trading. Okay, everyone have something like this. Okay, think of this and try to go DM people. And for investor capital, an example, if you have no network at all, what I was doing at the moment, I was looking at all these influencers at Dubai, not specifically in a trading niche, and what I was doing is that I was just going through the followers. Boom, this follower, this guy follow this guy, this guy follow this guy, this guy got 200 followers, but he seems really rich. Nobody follows him. Oh, he's in a private jet, but this guy just got 200 followers. Nobody DM him. Okay, there is no competition here. Nobody DM this guy. This guy got millions. You come to him, you don't directly say I want to trade your money. You have a talk with him. You give him interesting things. He gives you interesting things back. You build a relationship, and step by step you say, okay, oh, if you want, I can trade your money. I have a track record. Oh yes, you do have. Oh yes, send me this. This is how I made my first private investor capital. And then this guy gave me connection to guys that were professional in giving me private investor capital. Okay, like it's stupid. Okay, step by step, stupid. Have balls and it will work. Third key is that there is no holy grail. There is no magic potion. There is no strategy that will make you instantly profitable. Okay, you can have mechanical objective strategy like I do have that will ease your way into profitability, that will remove all the pain of the second guessing, etc., which is really good. But at the end of the day, it's about your ability to be disciplined, to execute it, to have a good psychology, etc., etc. Okay, so yeah, there is no holy grail. The only holy grail that you will have is feedback loop. Okay, is having a certain input, so your strategy, executing your strategy and constantly refining all over and over again. Same thing for psychology, having a certain input in terms of psychology. Oh, I don't like losing, and then you have an experience of you losing and not liking losing. You break down this, you see how your brain reacts to losing this, in what specific environment, and you refine, you install the good beliefs, you install the good way of thinking into your brain, and you just do this constant feedback all over again until it's well optimized and you have a good psychology, until it's well optimized and you have a good strategy. Okay, and you do that for strategy, risk management, psychology, etc., and then you will be profitable. That's the holy grail. The holy grail is not looking for the best shiny object, the best big strategy like leads algo up, ICT silver bullet and all this. No, this will never make you profitable. You're just running. It's like marketing. People are marketing those things and you're just running towards them and, oh, I want this, I absolutely want this because it will solve my problem. No, it will not. I assure it will not. I've went through all of this. I was thinking this strategy will solve my problem. This one will. No, never. Okay, what solves my problem are feedback loops. Okay, getting into one thing, sticking to it, and constantly optimizing it until it works. And when it's not working anymore, based on market cycle, I optimize it again and again and again. Okay, that's what made me profitable. The fourth point is not having a data backed up strategy. It's a common problem that is faced by many new traders. Okay, you may have a strategy that is in place, but you have no plan, you have no performance metrics, and you have no statistical proof that the strategy will provide you an edge. And this means that overall, you're just lacking confidence. Okay, and confidence is like something really critical in trading, because when you do that, you're simply gambling and you just you're just hoping that you will achieve profitability, but in reality you need a strategy that solves this and that is built around a certain set of rules that will remove the need to guess, to predict, or to try to read the market every day. Okay, so if you're lacking confidence, like, you're just in trouble. If you start trading, you're lacking confidence, you're in trouble. If you have no strategy that is not data backed up, you even have less confidence. Okay, and like, you just get into inevitable losses because you have a strategy that just doesn't work. Okay, so you're just left guessing. You're hoping that your strategy might work, okay, rather than knowing that for sure your strategy work. And in this situation, you're just gambling, and we all know what happens to people who gamble. They lose all their money. That's why you need to have a data backed up strategy. That's, for example, me optimizing the strategy. I just look at each specific variables. I look at how it's going. Like, for example, here you see it's not going good with those specific variables. So what I do here, I just cut when it's not working. I cut when it's not working, and I just optimize my strategy with feedback loop. I back up everything with data, okay? And once I have all my data, I know my strategy is working. I have a specific set of rules that is easy to follow, that I can even give to a 6-year-old kid. He just follow it and he make the same results. And then I know it's working. Then what you do to get investors, you audit the strategy. You go through a certain audit to specific institutions that will audit your strategy. You know it's working, you have audited results, you can show to them and you can make money, okay? One of the last point is time. I have a full specific video on this that is talking about all of these things. It's really interesting. The title, I guess, is why you're still losing in trading after years and how to fix it. And I'm just talking about this, the goal constant, etc. It's deeply interesting. This will get you to your goal. Like, it will 10x your probability of being profitable again. So yeah, give it time, stick to the same thing. Like, let's say, I'm going to explain it really fast. If you want to reach a goal, you have certain underlying goal constant. So you have a goal you want to reach, and to get to this goal, you need to master specific things. Okay, in trading, those specific things are your strategy, your market, your psychology, your risk management technique. Okay, at the beginning, it's going to be hard. It's not going to work. Your strategy will not work. Your market will not work. Your psychology will not work, and your risk management will not work. As you can see, just about here. Okay, it will be really hard at the beginning, but the more you go through time, the more deep your understanding will be, and the easier it will be. So you see that at the beginning, it's quite plateau. It's quite hard, but then if you give it 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, sticking to it, then you will have a deep understanding and you will make money. Here, people give up. People go here, they have new strategy, new market, new psychology, new strategy, new market, new psychology, new risk management technique, and they just try it. Oh, 3 months. Oh, it's not working. I switch, and they come back to zero, and they come back to zero, and they come back to zero everywhere. So they just do this for 2 years, and they just keep switching all the constants, and they will never get profitable. So yeah, don't switch those goal constants. Stay on the same strategy for years, stay on the same market for years, and your understanding will be better. Okay, don't put any expectation on time too, because it's something, it's a psychological concept, and it's something true. As humans, we are very bad. We have a very bad ability on putting time on goals, okay? Because we think we have an ability to reach goals in like 6 months, while the objective reality will be 2 years. So if you think you can reach your profitability in trading in 6 months, just multiply this by 3 or 5, and you will get the real number when you will be profitable, okay? Because we have, again, a bad ability of putting a time expectation on goal. So don't put any expectation, because you will put expectation, you will not reach the expectation, you will feel like a loser while you're not, and you will give up, and you will change your constant, which is not good. And guys, my last point is simplicity. Okay, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Again, this is the feedback loop, so input, system, output. I will not explain it because it's quite hard to explain like this, but yeah, just simplicity is the key. Like, trading is so hard mentally in its nature that if you had a certain technical complexity to the hard nature of trading, you will just get nowhere. You just need to have a simple, data-backed, efficient approach on trading. And another point is that it's not because socially something seems beautiful, like people doing 100 risk-reward ratio. It seems like their approach to technical trading is very complex and they have a deep understanding of liquidity. This is complete BS. Okay, the simplicity is the extreme sophistication. The traders that are not on the social medias, not bragging about making money, the one that really make money from trading, they are trading simple systems. They are not like all you see on social media is just marketing. Okay, guys telling you with their 100 withdrawal strategy that is the holy grail. They make it seem like it's the holy grail. This will never work for you guys. Get this out of your head. I got so much example of strategy of people telling me, oh, this thing will get me out. They buy the thing, never work. They spend thousands and thousands, never work. Months after, they're not profitable. They're just sending me screenshot of them taking good trades. And then I ask track record, I ask, do you have private investor capital? Do you have prop firm? Oh no, I don't. Okay, this will not work. So yeah, the conclusion of all of this is don't spend too much time watching videos on YouTube, go over trading. There is no magic potion. The holy grail is a feedback loop. You will make money only if you do have money. You need to have a data backed up strategy. You need to give it time. You need to stick to the same goal constants, and simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. So that's it for the video. Now listen, if you're struggling to get profitable and like you just can't figure out how to get funded or make any profit, then we might be able to help you. I don't want you to click the first link in the description, like you don't have to, but if you do, there will be a video of just me telling you how I help traders solve the same problem. Don't worry, there is no free course. There is no webinar, there is no trading signals, okay? I don't want you to feel obliged to click it, but if you want, just feel free to. And I only work with traders on a selective basis because I'm looking for disciplined individuals. I say that directly. So for all people that are not serious, just get out, okay? I don't want to lose time with anyone because my time is a bit limited, to be honest. And if you like the video, there is a button for that. Be sure to press it if you did. Comment any video ideas or requests you have, and subscribe if you want more no bullshit content. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best and take profits only. And subscribe if you don't want to get a stop loss.